Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a mini hair length check on my natural hair. I've had this hair natural for the past it's been 4 years ever since I started my natural hair journey. So I hope you enjoy this episode, and if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, make sure to like the video, comment, feel free to share, and yeah, enjoy the video. So to begin, first I'm going to remove my head wrap, and my hair is just in a mess, so don't worry, we are going to just do this anyway. There's no other way around it. First of all, I remove my head wrap. Hope you don't mind the state of my hair. I've had it this way for the past 1 week. Like, I'm just a lazy natural. Doing my hair is so much stressful for me. So I hope you just forgive me for that. It's so tangled. I tell you, it's so very much tangled in here. But at least the edges, like my hairline isn't going anywhere. It's intact, but it's giving me some stress. But first and foremost, the main thing that I use, I don't work on the dry hair, so I am going to mist my hair. I'm going to use this one to mist my hair. It's just plain water that I use. Make sure you just mist your hair. Don't let it be so wet. Just make it a little bit soggy, but not so wet that you can't work on the hair. And if you work on dry hair, like if you don't moisten it a little bit, it's so fragile. Dry hair itself is so fragile, so if you don't put in the water moisture inside, it's going to kind of break. The essence of my hair journey is to protect my hair as much as possible, to ensure that it's not breaking. In as much as the afro hair is fragile, the essence of all of this, whatever I'm doing, is to make sure that it doesn't break, and I preserve my hair. I protect my hair strands as much as possible because I want to see the length. I want to make sure that it's growing each and every time I work on my hair. So I'm just going to continue moistening my hair. Don't mind my water bottle. I don't know if you'll see the parts here. I just go ahead, apply water everywhere. So I'll just work in the water. Ensure each and every strand is coated with water. Just go ahead, work it in. And also ensure you get the edges of your hair, because they are also fragile parts of your hair, because it's old hair. So make sure you also get the edges, the tips of your hair, that is. Just go ahead, work it in, work the water in, get all in. You can see how full my hair is. I really love this hair, but I'm a lazy natural, so I really don't know how to manage it. At times it gives me stress, but hey, it's mine, and I love it that way. See all that. So let's start. Remember, I'm not using any comb. My fingers work the magic. I use my fingers as the comb, so you can just use that. I use them to detangle my hair. Just do that, and here, that's the length of my hair here. You can estimate the inches. I don't really know, but that's it. Just below my clavicle. This other side. Same length, almost the same length, if you can see. And guys, just see how much it coils back up. Like, this hair is so fragile. This hair shrinks so fast, guys. I'll go for the back, the nape of my hair. Make sure you just be gentle while parting. Finger detangle, guys. Fingers are the magic if you don't want to break any hair. Finger detangle it properly just to lengthen it a bit. Guys, my boob length, imagine. But I hope you've seen it well. Go ahead, section the other part. There again, like they're just the same length. Let me check this other one. They're just the same length, you can see, guys. Same length. So I must be doing some good work. I'm so happy about this, guys. So for the back of my hair, I don't know if you can see that. I'm just going to, then I just detangle the tangled edges. So after detangling, hope you see it well. I don't know if you'll see properly, but I hope so. So that's the length. Whoops, I can't reach it. So that's the length of my hair. I hope you can see it well. At my bra strap length, yeah. I hope you've seen that. So for the crown of my hair, I noticed that the crown of my hair is kind of shading and breaking off. So I really don't know what to do. It's the shortest part in my head, but I love it all the same. So we are just going to spritz water again here at the crown, then just pat it. Take some hair out of that section. And rule, guys, make sure you be gentle. Don't yank your hair anyhow. Make sure you be gentle. Don't break, if not any, don't break more strands of your hair, because you want to protect each and every strand of your hair. We want to see length, we want to see growth in our hairs. We don't want stunted growth. So yeah, so that's the length there. Don't know what I can do, but I hope you see. Let me scot here. That's the length of my hair from the crown. I hope you see it properly. That's the length of my hair. This part is kind of a lot, then it's shading towards the end, but that's how hairs are, so it's no big deal. For the front section of my hair, I'm just going to section it again. Guys, rule of thumb, just be gentle. I can't stress this enough. Be very gentle with your hair. Don't break any strands. So there I have it. Again, fingers. We don't want any breakage, so just go ahead. Yeah, you can see it's past my chin. It's almost, I can't do that, but I guess you can see the length of my hair. I'm in love with my hair. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, but don't mind how I look. I know I look, it's a mess. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon, comment, like, share, all the good stuff. Just make sure you do them. Please stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Hello guys. Like water, it shrinks. My hair is breaking. I'm so lazy. Like, I'm a lazy natural. That's what I meant. Because we want to conserve our hair as much as possible. That's the main. We want to protect our. Because the essence of doing all this stuff is to protect our hair. But if you work on, the essence of every hair natural the essence of every natural hair journey is to protect our hair. Sorry guys.